Eid is coming, but do you know this verse? Small words, big meaning. Learn them and speak about it with confidence. Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. Fasting, staying away from food and drink for Allah. Iftar, the meal to break the fast at sunset. Suhoor, the early morning meal before fasting. Moon, the new moon that announces it. Prayer, the special Eid prayer in the morning. Charity, helping the poor before it. Gratitude, thanking Allah for His blessings. Celebration, the joyful celebration or the joyful festival in Eid. And lastly, unity, families and communities celebrating together. Words make your message clearer, so learn them a little every day. Speak smart, celebrate it better. Follow for more and subscribe.